Hey, it's me, you from a few years down the line. I know this might sound strange, but trust me, I have something important to share. I'm looking at you right now, phone in hand, eyes glued to the screen. It's like you're in a trance, completely absorbed by that tiny device. That glazed over look? Yeah, I remember it well. It's the look of someone who's lost in a digital world, disconnected from the real one. It was my default expression for too long. I spent countless hours scrolling, tapping and swiping, thinking I was just passing time. But here's the thing, you're not really there. Not really present. Your mind is somewhere else, lost in a sea of endless content. You think you're just relaxing, killing time, but you're killing something else too, your potential. Every moment spent staring at that screen is a moment you could be using to grow, to learn, to create. See that laptop? The one with the project you're procrastinating on? That project could be your ticket to something amazing. It could open doors you never even knew existed. Imagine the sense of accomplishment you'll feel when you finally complete it. The skills you'll gain, the knowledge you'll acquire. It's all within your reach. And the gym bag slung in the corner. That represents the healthier, stronger you that's waiting to be sculpted. It's a symbol of the physical and mental strength you could build. Think about how good it will feel to be active, to push your limits, to see and feel the progress in your body and mind. The world is brimming with opportunities, but you're missing them, one scroll at a time. Every swipe is a chance slipping through your fingers, so put down the phone, look up, and start living your life to the fullest. The future, you will thank you for it. Here's the trap. Scrolling feels good in the moment. It's a simple pleasure, a quick escape from reality. It's a shot of dopamine, a quick hit of pleasure. But it's fleeting. Empty. That momentary joy is like a mirage. It vanishes almost as quickly as it appears, like eating cotton candy, sugary sweetness that dissolves into nothing, leaving you craving more. You think you're indulging in something delightful, but it leaves you unsatisfied. The more you chase that quick fix, the more you crave it. It's a never-ending cycle, a loop that keeps you coming back for more, even though you know it's not fulfilling. It's a cycle that keeps you stuck. You find yourself trapped in a pattern, unable to break free. The constant notifications, the endless scrolling, it all adds up to a lot of wasted time. Meanwhile, the real rewards, the ones that come from hard work, dedication, and pushing yourself, those get pushed further away. The things that truly matter, the goals you've set for yourself, they all take a back seat. You're trading long-term fulfillment for short-term satisfaction, and trust me, it's a raw deal. The satisfaction you get from achieving something meaningful, from reaching a goal, is far more rewarding than any quick fix. So next time you find yourself reaching for that quick hit of pleasure, remember the bigger picture. Choose the path that leads to true fulfillment, even if it's harder. Your future self will thank you. Now let's talk about what you could be doing instead. Instead of just planning and dreaming, imagine taking concrete steps towards your goals. Imagine yourself fully engaged in that project. Picture the focus and dedication you bring to each task, the creativity flowing as you sketch or design, the clarity of thought as you jot down notes in your journal, the satisfaction of tackling a challenge, the thrill of learning new skills, the pride of creating something valuable. These moments are what make the journey worthwhile. Each small victory, each new skill acquired adds to your sense of accomplishment. It's not always easy, but it's in those moments of focused effort that you truly grow. And that gym bag? It's a symbol of your commitment to self-improvement. Picture yourself hitting the gym, endorphins surging, body getting stronger. Each rep, each mile, each pose is a step towards a healthier, more resilient you. It's not just about physical health, it's about mental toughness, discipline, the feeling of accomplishment that comes from pushing your limits, the calm after a good workout, the confidence in your own strength, the satisfaction of knowing you gave it your all. This is the life you envision, built one step at a time. Section 4. Small choices, big consequences. The choices you make today, in this very moment, they matter. It's easy to think that a few minutes here and there won't make a difference. But time is the currency of achievement. Every minute spent scrolling is a minute not spent investing in yourself and your future. Think about it. How many hours have you lost to mindless scrolling this week, this month, this year? It's time to reclaim those hours, those minutes, those precious seconds. Section 5, a letter from your future self. So here's my message to you. From you, a few years down the road, put down the phone. Close the laptop. Step away from the screen. The world is waiting, your dreams are waiting. And they're a hell of a lot more fulfilling than an endless scroll. You've got this. I believe in you. Now go make me proud.